This is the Spuhr Ideal Chassis System from our friends in Sweden. We're gonna kind of get into it a little bit. I've shot it at a couple matches recently. I've really liked it, so we'll kind of talk about what I did like, maybe things I didn't. We will head out to the shop and tear it apart and break it down. So I've got the rifle kind of pulled apart here to go over some of the things that are pretty cool about it. In the kind of back half of the chassis, there's a lot of cool engineering happening here. So the folder is very cool, the way it breaks apart. Has a detent where it locks together closed and then open. Super solid, nothing's moving, nothing's rattling. Your length of pull is a little pinch here and it locks up, again, very solid. Little thumb wheel for your height on your cheek rest. Your pistol grip is adjustable forward and back with some screws here. Your hand sits on this a little differently than some chassis. You kind of sit right behind the back of the action. The fore end is a separate piece with internal weights and external, which I don't have on here, but they are available. And then your mounting options are numerous. There's quite a few. And then you've got Arca rail, of course, on the bottom. And then this is the rifle I shot at Snipers Unknown a couple weeks ago. So I did it, I had a Maverick. This is a 223, Defiance Deviant Action, Razor Gen 3, and a Spuhr mount. Overall, loved it, got a lot of good compliments on it. We will go out to the range and kind of talk a little bit more about it and do some shooting. Overall, after a couple matches and probably a little over 1,000 rounds, there's a lot of things I like. There's one or two little things I might nitpick about it. I love the buttstock, how everything works, the adjustability, the folder. I do like how my hand sits on the grip. It's very comfortable. I like that when you buy this, there's not a whole lot of extra stuff you want to buy. You know, it's got a longer extended handguard. It's got a folder. It's got all the stuff I would want. Little things that I would nitpick is that the buttstock that was included, or the butt pad, was very, very, very squishy. So it would recoil a little weird. And then this offset right here between kind of this piece and the mag, to me, is a little too thick. It kind of sets your rifle back a little further than I would like. Overall, I am very happy with it. I'll keep shooting it. And best of all, it looks very, very good. I think it's very aesthetically pleasing. I'm very happy. I'd recommend it. Check them out. If you've ever tried to use a tripod on a stage that absolutely didn't need it, go ahead and hit subscribe.